How to improve recording quality in OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your recording quality in OBS Studio. So first, open settings and from there, you can simply go to the video tab. Now, set your best resolution to 1920 x 1080 or match your screen resolution, and set the output resolution to 1920 x 1080 as well, and this ensures your recordings are in full HD. And if the downscale filter is enabled, change it to Langtos for sharper image quality, and then set the common FPS value to 60 for smooth recordings. And after that, you can simply click apply and then move to the output settings. Now in the output settings, change the output mode to advanced, and after that, go to the recording tab. From recording format, MP4 is usually the best choice for a balance between quality and file size. And now let's adjust the encoder settings. If you see the bitrate option increasing, it will improve video quality but also increase file size. A bitrate of 10,000 or higher is a good starting point, but for even better quality you can go with 16,000 or 20,000 as well. But if you see CQ level instead of bitrate, remember that lower number means better quality. A CQ level of 18 is a great balance for most users. But if you are not recording gameplay, you can improve quality by setting the FPS to 30 in the video settings, and this helps maintain image quality at lower bitrate since frames update 30 times per second instead of 60. And once you have made these changes, you can simply click apply and then OK, and your recording quality in OBS Studio will significantly improve. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.